I was professionally already involved in the construction when I bought this house, and I spent almost a year again observing how the sun moves, in all the rooms. I went to garage sales and I bought a lot of things I knew I would love. And if rushed, I would have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars. I bought light fixtures, I bought bathroom accessories, I bought a fantastic vintage cover that used to be probably used in a fireplace, and now I'm using it as a cover for my main heating system. And every time I walk by it, I just sigh the sigh of absolute pleasure. Our homes should be source of our pleasure, and only we know what makes us feel good, what really deserves to be described as something pleasurable. So we do, as homeowners, we really have tremendous responsibility to educate ourselves, to discover what we like, and then to find the appropriate architect and a contractor to support us. And there is a process that is involved in that, and the steps and vetting, so that you don't end up, with a contractor that leaves you sobbing behind the dumpster, because that's one of the horror stories I heard of someone sobbing behind the dumpster.
Well, I loved what you said about to take your time and don't be in a rush. I think you touched on earlier about some of the shows that we watch that give us inspiration, and they can give us this false sense of we can have a dream home complete within a weekend. We can do a complete renovation, have it perfectly decorated within a weekend. And that isn't necessary. It's, first of all, it's unrealistic. And secondly, is that really what you want? Do you want your home to look like that? Or do you want it to be a curation of things that you found over the years? So I love that you advise your clients to spend some time in their space and get to know it along the process.